YouTubers, my name is Susan70 and I'm supposed to be getting a package from the mailman today. And he should be coming pretty soon. And I don't know what he's coming with. I just ordered like a random thing. I have no idea. And it's pretty windy outside, so yeah. Just gonna walk around, wait for the mailman to come. Oh, it looks like somebody's here. Let's see. Oh, the mailman. Come on in. Don't be shy.
Oh my God.
That's me. Ooh, Nexus 7.
Not you pick.
Okay. And
It's not.
a Nexus 7, huh? I'm just gonna unbox this.
Unbox it.
Okay, so the Nexus. Really, an iPod?
Yep.
I didn't think I ordered an iPod. It comes with the case.
Upside down.
Oh. Hmm.
Dick. Oh.
Oh, this is cool. I didn't think I ordered an iPod though. I could have swore I ordered an iPad.
Someone must have tricked you.
Oh. Maybe UPS did. Wow, this is cool. As you can see, the screen is kind of cracked though.
Bad shipping.
Yeah. Apple. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.